guys, it's Andrea. I'm back with another taste test. This is from Factor. If you want to learn all about this program, sometime during the course of the video, you're going to see a little pop-up in the corner. That'll be my original unboxing. You can learn all about it. Down below in the description box, I'll put the link to sign up, and that shall save you $150, y'all. Today we're going to be trying chicken piccata with cauliflower mash and broccoli. These are delivered fresh, not frozen, already prepared chef meals. So you just poke it, nuke it for 2 minutes, let it set for 2 minutes, and then we'll try it. Okay, here it is, fresh out of the microwave. Well, it set 2 minutes after it cooked, and I just took the plastic wrap off. That's all I've done. Now I'm stirring a little bit. Let's try the broccoli first. It's broccoli. It needs salt. Okay. And chicken. Oh, it's very tender. It's really tender. Get me some cauliflower rice on it. It's probably steaming hot. This is the cauliflower, by the way, and these green things are capers. Freaking phenomenal. 5 out of 5, except it needs salt too. Okay. Delicious. I would definitely order the chicken piccata again. Creamy. Chicken's not overcooked at all. It's very tender, very flavorful, very creamy, as already said. What do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you like to watch taste tests, and I'll see you at the next.